For Tuesday, the 30th of January 2018, welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australian Oceanic Channel, where Tropical Cyclone Fehi, which reached Category 1, is located 24.8 degrees south, 163.8 degrees east, and is now on a weakening trend around 991 millibars, moving south at about 21 knots. Maximum 10 minutes average winds near the centre estimated at about 35 knots. Overall organisation has decreased past 24 hours. Now here's a look by the Fiji Met Office, and the Fiji Met Office has finalised its warnings on this ex-tropical cyclone, but will reissue if there's any signs of the system re-intensifying. However, it is likely to impact New Zealand Thursday or Friday. Severe weather warning for damaging wind, damaging surf, abnormally high tides is currently in place for Norfolk Island. Very windy and very dangerous sea conditions, and this is due to ex-tropical cyclone Fehi, expected to move or pass around 400 kilometres of the island. This is the life of the ex-cyclone. However, Bureau Meteorology Perth has a marine wind warning in place, severe weather warning for Kimberley, parts of the Pilbara, North Interior districts, fire weather warning for Ashburton, Inland Gascoyne, Inland Fire Weather Districts, flood watch for the Salt Lakes District, Warburton District catchments, flood warning for the Sandy Desert, one for the North Kimberley District, one for the Northwest District, the Sandy District, North Kimberley, West Kimberley flood warnings, one also for the West Kimberley. Minor flood warning for the Fitzroy River. Northern Territory has a marine wind warning in place, minor flood warning for the Adelaide River, major flood warning for the Daly River, minor flood warning for the Catherine MacArthur Rivers, flood watch for Northwest Bonaparte Coastal Rivers, severe weather warning for parts of the Daly Tiwi districts, one for the Daly Tiwi, parts of Arnhem and Gregory districts. There should be one for dangerous surf. And a tropical weather scene, whilst Fehi is now weakening, we still have 90S, which is X90P, and that one is expected to weaken. However, we have one around Tahiti. We have one near Diego Garcia, and it looks like that one is re-intensifying. We will cover that one in a future update. The deep layer wind shear, upper level divergence, wind shear 850 millibar vorticity, area of interest Cape York. And information is coming up the Cape York region. And here's the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre's track on the XTC. A look at the NOAA floaters. Tropical cyclone 08 Fehi, located approximately 206 nautical miles south-southwest of New Caledonia. Sea surface temperature 26 degrees Celsius, and the XTC is transiting through an unfavourable environment. Strong 35 to 40 knots vertical wind shear and tracking over marginal 26 degrees Celsius sea surface temperature. However, hazardous surf warning has been issued by the Bureau of Meteorology Queensland for fishing, surf, swell conditions expected to be hazardous for coastal activities. Fraser Island, Sunshine Coast waters, including the Gold Coast waters. Severe weather warning for heavy rainfall, damaging winds and normally high tides remains in place for the Peninsula Gulf Country districts. It's issued around 5 p.m. this afternoon. Active monsoon trough sits over northern Queensland, causing strong westerly winds across the northeast Gulf of Carpentaria, the Torres Strait coastal waters area. Heavy rain may lead to flash flooding expected to continue about the northern peninsula north of Carpentaria to Cape Melville, and the areas are receiving some interesting rainfall totals. 6 hourly totals in excess of 100 millimetres remains possible, with localised 24 hours totals up to 200 or 200 millimetres plus. Locations which may be affected include Reaper, Karayama, Arakan and others. Flood watch is also current. Here's the latest Bureau of Meteorology total forecast of rain. Rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen, but it's the purple, red and pink. Marine wind warning, southeast Gulf of Carpentaria, northeast Gulf, Torres Strait, Peninsula coast, and we have one Moreton Bay, Gold Coast waters for Wednesday. Now here's a look at the Bureau of Meteorology's Doppler wind. This is for the Cairns region. This was captured earlier today. A look at various radars, and of importance is the Reaper station. GFS precipitable water model. This is available on the Pivotal Weather website. The live webcams are via the swellnet.com website. Tropical cyclone outlook updated this afternoon by the Bureau of Meteorology for the Coral Sea. Strengthening monsoon flow in the northwest Coral Sea will increase the chance of tropical cyclone development from Thursday, more likely along the monsoon trough. And here we go again. Likelihood of a tropical cyclone in the eastern region is moderate on Thursday to high on Friday. Conditions for tropical cyclone development or tropical cyclone to persist remain favourable over the weekend, with the best chance along the monsoon trough in the northern Coral Sea. What I can say is that the Bureau is recording regular observations up at the Reaper Station, and they are getting sustained winds. Here's a look at the ex-tropical cyclone Tropical Tidbits website. And the live webcam behind this these tracks is the Margaret weather. Now this is a look at 90p or 90s. It's not looking as healthy as what it has been over the last 24 hours. We also have 95p on the radar. That's, I think, in the Tahiti region. We'll cover that in the next update. Tropical Cyclone Formation Probability Guide. We'll also have a look at the various modelling. This is 90S and some rotation. And before we hear from Nathan on ways to get in contact with him and others within the team, this is the NOAA floaters.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.